Children, today we will see the sun causes changes in the weather and sea breeze and land breeze. The weather, sunshine, fog, rain, clouds, winds, heat, cold is always change most of the part of the world. These changes are caused by what happens in the atmosphere, the layer of air above the earth. Many factors make the weather change, but all of this, the sun is the most important one. The sun is directly or indirectly causing most of the weather change. The sun shines during the day. It warms the earth during the day. The sun does not shine during the night. So, the days are warmer than nights. In the morning and in the evening, the rays of the sun are slanting. At noon, the rays are directly overhead, so mornings and evenings are cooler than the middays. Now we will see activity 1. Take two similar basins, put some sand in one of them, then put an equal quantity of water in the other container. Now measure its temperature. Now keep both the basins in the sun for few hours. Now measure the temperature again. Now put them in the shades for some time and measure the temperature. If we will observe the temperature of 3 times, then we can know that sand gets heated more quickly than the water. It cools more quickly than water. During summer days, at noon time, it is very difficult to walk barefoot, but it is very easy to swim in the water. From the above activity, we can clear about that during the day, land gets heated more quickly than water, and during night, land cools more quickly than water. Now we will see sea breeze and land breeze. During the day, the land gets heated up more quickly. Air above it too gets heated water. Water and the air above it remains somewhat cooler. The warm air over the land rises up. Cool air from the sea moves to take its place. So during daytime, wind blows from sea towards the land. That is caused sea breeze. At night, the land cools down more quickly than the sea. Cool air sinks over the land and pushes out to the sea. The air over the sea is still warm, so it rises. The colder air moves to take its place. So at night, wind blows from land towards the sea. That is called land breeze. Here you can see the picture of the daytime sea breeze and nighttime land breeze. Now we will see one activity. Light a candle and hold it in different positions. Watch its flame. Does the direction of the flame changes? No, but it burnt upwards. From this experiment, we can know that the hot air rises up. One more thing, when hot air rises, cold air takes its place. This movement caused by hot and cold air are called convection of currents. Children, you will learn the definition of sea breeze, land breeze, and you will have the experiment of how the weather changes in different time accordingly, and the experiment of that hot air rises up. Underline all the important points and learn it. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.